Hello students, so this is the part first. Here I am covering the second chapter of your book, that is The White Elephant by Ruskin Bond. So let us start this chapter. As in previous video I have told you that the forester and the trainers, they have captured the white elephant and they took him to the Benares with full excitement. So for a long time the mother of poor white elephant was waiting for her son. But when she waited a lot, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया था वेट करते करते, then soon she realizes that my son has been captured. She felt certain that he had been captured. Then she said, she was so sad and she said, "What shall I do without him?" She cried. "Who will bring me food and lead me to the lotus lake for water?" कौन मेरे को खाना देगा, कौन मेरे को वाटर के लिए लेकर जाएगा, मतलब लेक के पास लेकर जाएगा, so that I can drink water there. Who will take care of me? She was so sad and she cried. The heart of her son was equally heavy. Means here the white elephant was so sad. As her mother was so sad, he was also so sad. What will she do without me? And here the white elephant is thinking that what she will do without me, that what my mother will do without me. How can she eat? How can she drink? He thought, if only I had listened to her advice. Means he is थिंकिंग हेयर, वो यहाँ पे यही सोच रहा है कि अपनी मदर को खाना मैं खिलाता था, उनको पानी पिलाने के लिए मैं लेकर जाता था. नाउ हु विल टेक केयर आफ्टर मी, हु विल लुक आफ्टर हर? सो ही इज वेरी सैड. In spite of his unhappy look, the elephant found favor with the king. Means king liked the white elephant most. Who declared he would ride no other animal. The elephant's stable was richly decorated in his honor, and the king rode him in the state through the city. So what happened? So the king here, in this way you can see this elephant was richly decorated, उसको बहुत अच्छे से decorate किया गया. And what the king do? King rode him in the state through the city. उसको city का पूरा चक्कर लगाने के लिए लेकर गए और दिखाने के लिए सभी को कि see, I have this beautiful white elephant with me in my palace. So king was very happy, but the white elephant, he was so sad. And the mother of white elephant, in the same way, she was also so sad, who was old and blind. But a few days later, the trainers came to the king. In the palace, each and everyone was happy, as the king was happy. King बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था that he got a white elephant. He got such a beautiful elephant. But what happened suddenly after a few days? कुछ दिनों बाद क्या हुआ? The trainers came to the king. वो किंग के पास आए in great distress. Distress means in sadness. They all were very sad and they said to the king that, "Your Majesty, the white elephant is very sick and will eat nothing." Means he is eating nothing, और वो दिन पे दिन he is getting sick. He is not looking healthy as he was looking before. The king hurried to the stable when he saw the elephant's look of despair. Despair means loss of hope. When the king saw the white elephant, he was in the loss of hope. Means उसको बहुत कम उम्मीद लग रही थी कि ये खाना खाएगा. उसकी कंडीशन white elephant की बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थी. He said, "Good animal, how you have changed. Why do you refuse to eat?" कि तुम खाने के लिए क्यों मना कर रहे हो, तुम इतने चेंज क्यों हो गए हो? You are looking so sick, you are looking so weak. Anything you wish, you will be granted to you. Means what the king here he is thinking that इट माइट बी पॉसिबल कि वाइट एलिफेंट को मेरे से कुछ चाहिए और तब उसकी विश पूरी हो जाएगी, क्या पता तब वो खाना खा ले। तो वाइट एलिफेंट ने किंग ने वाइट एलिफेंट से यही कहा दैट इफ़ यू वांट एनीथिंग देन आई विल ग्रांट इट टू यू, मैं आपकी पूरी विश को जो भी आप विश करेंगे मैं उसको पूरा करूँगा, आप बोलिए तो सही। Great king, answered the elephant mournfully. Mournfully means sorrowfully. He was so sad when he was saying, all I desire means wish, to return to my poor blind mother in the forest. For while she is alone and starving, how can I eat? Starving means suffering from hunger. So, here the white elephant requested to the king that only the one thing I want, कि मेरी एक ही विश है, I want to go back to my poor blind mother in the forest, कि मेरे को अपनी मदर के पास जाना है as she is alone, वो अकेली हैं, and starving means suffering from hunger, वो भूख से मर जाएंगी क्योंकि उनको खाना कौन लेकर आता था, ये वाइट एलिफेंट ही लेकर आता था। हाउ कैन आई ईट, ही इज सेइंग दैट इफ माई मदर इज स्टार्विंग, शी इज नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग, देन हाउ कैन आई ईट। He was so sad. Now the king was good king, and although he badly wanted the elephant for himself, he said at once, noble animal, your goodness puts mankind to shame. I give you your freedom to return your mother at once. So now here the king is ashamed. He is feeling so guilty that what we are doing. His mother, the white elephant's mother, is starving. She is alone. She is blind and she is old. And we have captured this white elephant. So the king here is feeling he is ashamed. He is feeling guilty. Okay, and so he said to this white elephant that we are giving you one chance, we are giving you freedom, then you can go to your mother at once, कि एक बार आप अपनी मदर से मिलने के लिए जा सकते हैं, and then after that आपको मेरे पैलेस में दोबारा से आना होगा, as I want you badly. ठीक है। The elephant thanked the king with a loud trumpeting and left the city and went crashing back through the forest. When he reached the cave, he found his joy that his mother was still alive. So the white elephant was very happy that king gave his permission to go back to the forest, to go back to his mother. Okay, so he thanked a king with a loud trumpeting. When he went to the forest, he found that his mother was still alive and he was so happy कि मेरी मदर अभी भी जिंदा है, मेरी मदर मरी नहीं है because of that starving, भूख की वजह से नहीं मरी है, ठीक है। So that's why he was so happy. Oh, my son, she said. So when the white elephant reached in that cave and his mother realized that my son is back, so what she said, oh, my son, she said when he told her his story. You should have listened to me. Human beings have always brought harm to our race. So what his mother is saying to him that कि मैंने तुमको पहले भी बोला था, and I know this, I have already experienced this thing that human beings have always brought harm to our race. उन्होंने हमको हमेशा ही चीट किया है human beings ने. So that's why I have advised you to not go there. But तुमने तो मेरे को सुना ही नहीं. You went there to help that forester. So what the white elephant is giving reply here, not all of them mother. मतलब सभी इतने बेकार नहीं होते हैं, सभी हमको चीट नहीं करते हैं. He said triumphantly, means he was so happy. The king is noble and generous. All I should still be in captivity. Captivity means imprisonment. Let's forget the triarchy, मतलब वो धोखे को, जो मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है, जो चीटिंग हुई है, उसको भूल जाते हैं. Of the forester, जो forester ने मेरे साथ की थी. And think only, और सिर्फ मदर आप उसके बारे में सोचिए, the king's goodness, that what the king has done for me, that he has given me this permission. So that's why I am here with you today. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.